everybody, it's Megan and I'm here with
Bianca!
And we're going to be talking about what's in the Color Street Stylist starter kits.
So, we just got our Color Street Stylist starter kit in the mail today, and we are so excited, and we had to beg our mom to open it, and it's like 8:30 at night, so we are super duper excited.
So guys, my mom had to open the box, so we didn't peek yet,
And
let's peek with you.
okay, so I think
You
it's
have to pick it up like this.
Yes. Okay. We're just gonna show you guys what it looks like. I don't want to look. Okay. Oh my gosh.
And then there's a bottom layer too, but we'll get to that soon.
So these are some of the samples that you get, that different kinds of samples that we have. We have these two. And now we're going to show you guys all of these. Let me grab this one. This one. Now, we are super excited because we really want to look at these, so. Okay guys, so we just opened everything that we got in the Color Street box, and everything looks so cool, and we are so excited. So we're just going to give you a brief description of what we got in the package. This is what the box looks like, so right now.
Yeah. This is the last thing you get from the box, but it can help you carry all your Color Street supplies in it. And it has a little pocket in the front.
The next thing that I'm going to show you is the catalogs, which show you all the different nails that you can get.
The next thing, I'm going to show you all these nail polish removal pads. They help you take off the Color Street nails that you already had on, or the nail polish that you had on before.
These are the nail prep pads that you put on your fingers before and after you put on your nails. And it gets all the disgusting stuff off of your fingers.
Next thing we have are 10 full packets of Color Street nails. Now we're just going to show you our favorite nails. So my favorite is French Riviera.
And my favorite is Broadway Glimmer. I'm going to show you our samples. If you want a free sample, visit us on Facebook at Sassy Strips with Becky, Bianca, and Megan. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Sassy Strips and on YouTube at Sisters with Sass. That's all we have for today. Bye!